So for my satellite television neighbor, who doesn't mind me having C-band satellite dishes in my backyard and KU-band satellite dishes in my backyard, that has asked the request that I would do a scan of 55 West and 58 West. I'll also do 58 West as well on my Amico because I like this receiver's blind scan. It works really well. Has a USB port on the side there, and it just has HDMI output. Really small satellite receiver. So we're gonna do a scan with this. I like the blind scan on this one. So we'll do a quick scan and take a look and see what we can find.
All right, so now we're into the blind scan feature on 58 West Intelsat. And I'm just going to set it up for a free scan because I don't want to have a bunch of scrambled channels that I can't watch. And we just do the scan, and that was my C-band settings there. So first thing that comes up is NHK World, which is a good news channel. And it's just going through the frequencies. Now a blind scan, depending on your receiver, can take... Some take longer, some take shorter. I think this receiver only takes a few minutes to go through everything. And you see there's all the channels that are coming through. Airing was one of them, DW Espanol. There's lots of, on these satellites, it covers the South American region, so there is a lot of channels that are Spanish and Portuguese language channels. And also this satellite does send things across the Atlantic Ocean, so some of the feeds are coming from Europe and some are the feeds coming from North America or South America being beamed over to the other side of the world. So there's a Russia Today feed there. There's an EWTN, but EWTN is only Spanish. They don't have the English feed anymore. There's CCTV, which is a Chinese news channel. There is some radio channels as well. And I'm trying to think what else I missed. Now this is the satellite that... on Monday and Tuesday nights, if you're a wrestling fan, I get Monday Night Raw and Tuesday Night SmackDown because it's a live broadcast feed. But that transponder is not up right now. There is some other Spanish channels. Occasional is like the temporary feed. It's not always going. It's used for backhaul feeding. Duna World, that channel's on Galaxy 19 as well. And it just saves it automatically and goes into back into your main menu. Now this is my C-band setup here, and that's it for that. And here's a look at some of my channels that I have scanned in. Now this list is a little outdated. I need to clean it up. That's why I do a scan that says free only. So go into satellite installation for 55 West. Now remember to set your standard LMB to 5150. I didn't show that in there, but if you click on it there, it shows that. So set it to blind scan and for free, because I don't want those annoying 100 scrambled channels. And as it scans in, this is probably a real-time scan this time too. So the first one that comes up is CGTV, which is a Chinese news mux. It has CGTV documentary. It used to be known as CCTV. You get Bolivia Vision, Angel TV, and sometimes you'll have something like that 7.71. It's just a channel that I guess they just don't give it a title, but it could be some variations of feeds. And a lot of these are I believe there's the Spanish channels, because on 55 West there is a lot of Spanish channels on here. And also this is the wrestling satellite 155 West. As I stand corrected, I was looking at it earlier and I was talking about 58 West. So here's a big mux of all the Latter-day Saints, Church of Jesus Christ Latter-day Saints, and also the BYU TV mux. And those MPEGs, I'm not sure what they are. I think there's a Spanish channel that I'm not sure what they are. And as you can see on the radio side, that they're lit up. And one thing I want to talk about is on this receiver is the new channels that are new transponders. They come in that brighter green where they might not be as highly shadowed, or they might be darker shadowed if they're a rescan. So I think this is finding a bunch of maybe different different frequencies, or they're scanning in slightly differently than before. Like that one there, that Bolivia TV has been scanned in before, but the 7.2 Bolivia is a newer find. So this is the hunting part, to try to hunt for those channels that are free, because free stuff is always good on satellite. And there is a few gems on these satellites. As I said, there's the wrestling feeds, there's boxing and fight feeds, there's lots of soccer stuff on here. MNHD, Maranatha. There's also quite a share of religious channels. And I don't know what those are. They don't have any. They could just be feeds too, because they use these satellites for sending feeds across the ocean. They're in that right spot where they give that connection to Europe and to North America, or Europe and the Americas. Now and it's just going to save the data. There we go. And it just goes into save and exits the menu, and you just back out of there. 70% is a pretty good connection.
If these videos here on Ottawa Octane have helped you, please consider supporting me on Patreon by sending me a few dollars for this channel on the Ottawa Octane channel. I would really appreciate it. And also give this video a like over on Facebook, over at Robbie Strike Videos. And also, I'm on Twitter, Robbie Strike 3 on Twitter. A little bit about my channel. I do all sorts of videos about satellite technology, Linux computer technology, and I enjoy doing tutorials to show people how, either reviews and tutorials, to show people how to get their computer stuff up and going, get their media equipment working for them. Several of the satellite videos for free satellite TV have helped people all over the world. I've had people in Africa watch these videos to see how they can set up, because in most areas other than North America, free satellite TV is how people watch TV. They don't have terrestrial broadcast or cable. In some areas they don't have high-speed internet, so sometimes some of my videos, they need to download them and be able to bring them in, or watch them where there is internet, and bring that knowledge to an area where they don't have high-speed internet, and they can set up a KU band or a C-band satellite dish so they can get information beamed down from satellites in remote areas. And not all the areas, like here in North America, we take high-speed internet for granted. In a lot of areas in the world, they don't have high-speed internet. So satellite TV is the main way of getting information. Here we're kind of lucky where we have that, and we can't take it for granted. So if enough of you send me a few dollars, I can help make this channel grow and get bigger and do more reviews and add more content. And if you have questions, even if you need some tech support questions that you have, send me a message in the comments or email. Contact me over on Facebook at Robbie Strike Videos, or here on the Ottawa Octane YouTube channel, wherever it may be. I'm happy to, if it's a video I can create, and if it's a video that I might need a few dollars to maybe buy some equipment so that I can do the demo and do the tutorial for you, that would be appreciated. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.